In a world overflowing with noise, chaos, and countless demands for our attention, the art of Japanese minimalism offers a calm escape. It isn't just about decluttering your home, it's about decluttering your mind, your heart, and your life. It's about living with purpose, appreciating the beauty in the simple, and focusing on what truly matters. Today, we'll dive into the 10 core principles of Japanese minimalism and see how they can guide you toward a more peaceful and meaningful existence. If you've ever felt weighed down by excess or yearned for more clarity in your life, this video is for you. Together, let's embark on a journey to embrace simplicity, inspired by Japan's timeless wisdom. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button right now. Your support truly helps me bring you more life-changing insights. Japanese minimalism is rooted in the cultural traditions of Japan, where simplicity, balance, and intentionality are celebrated. It teaches us to reduce excess so we can focus on the essentials. Unlike standard decluttering, these principles go beyond physical spaces. They invite us to simplify our thoughts, emotions, and priorities. It's not about owning as little as possible. Instead, it's about making space for what adds real value to your life. Whether it's meaningful relationships, a sense of calm, or finding your life's purpose, Japanese minimalism shows us how to attain it by removing distractions. Let's explore these 10 guiding principles one by one, each offering lessons not just for how we organize our homes, but for how we live with intention. Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt calm? Chances are it had a sense of ma. In Japanese culture, ma refers to intentional empty spaces. It's the balance between objects, the quiet pauses in music, the unspoken moments in conversation. Empty space creates room to breathe, think, and reflect. In your home, this might mean clear countertops or open areas free from clutter. In your mind, it means giving yourself moments of stillness, time to let your thoughts settle without constant distraction. When you intentionally create ma, you invite calm and clarity to flow into your life. Life is imperfect, but that's exactly what makes it beautiful. The principle of wabi-sabi teaches us to embrace the imperfections and fleeting nature of life. Think of a cracked ceramic bowl that's been repaired with gold, making it even more unique. That's the heart of wabi-sabi, finding beauty in what's scarred, aged, or weathered over time. When we stop chasing perfection, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress. Apply wabi-sabi to your own life by accepting flaws in your environment, your possessions, and most importantly, yourself. Danshari is a powerful principle that combines 3 ideas: refusal dan, disposal, and separation rai. It's about saying no to excess, getting rid of what doesn't serve you, and detaching from the need for more. Practicing Danshari goes beyond decluttering your home. It's about asking yourself, what truly brings me happiness, and letting go of anything that doesn't align with your values. By releasing what weighs you down, you create space for more joy, freedom, and clarity. At the heart of Japanese minimalism is ikigai, the reason you wake up in the morning. It's the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, and what you can be rewarded for. Discovering your ikigai helps you focus only on what adds meaning to your life. If you don't know your ikigai yet, give yourself time to reflect. What brings you a deep sense of fulfillment? Once you find it, align your time, energy, and resources toward it, letting go of distractions along the way. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. That's the spirit of shibumi, a quiet elegance that's neither flashy nor overwhelming. It's about finding joy in the understated and appreciating modest, refined beauty. In your home, this might look like well-crafted furniture that serves a purpose without being showy. In your life, it might mean speaking less but with greater intention. Shibumi teaches us that simplicity done well can be deeply fulfilling. Kanso reminds us of the value of simplicity and uncluttered living. By reducing complexity in our belongings, routines, and decisions, we create a more peaceful way of life. It's not just about owning fewer things, it's a mindset of choosing to avoid overcomplicating life. Start with your surroundings. Clear out items you no longer need or use. Then, look at your commitments. Are you saying yes to things that drain your energy? Simplifying in all areas will create a ripple effect of clarity and calm. Not everything in life needs to be explained or understood. Yugen is the art of embracing mystery and finding beauty in the unknown. It reminds us to be present and to marvel at life's subtleties, like a soft breeze through trees or the way sunlight falls on a room. Incorporating Yugen into your mindset means letting go of the need to control or overanalyze. It's about appreciating life as it is and finding joy in its quiet, fleeting moments. Mindfulness is a cornerstone of Japanese minimalism. It teaches us to focus on the present moment and appreciate what we have rather than longing for more. Keep a gratitude journal or take a few moments each day to reflect on life's simple blessings. Whether it's a warm cup of tea, the laughter of loved ones, or a beautiful sunset, you'll find that practicing gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance. Every object in your home should serve a purpose. This is the idea of functional harmony, where practicality meets aesthetics. Imagine a home where everything you own is carefully chosen, a lamp that's both beautiful and provides light, or a chair that's both comfortable and visually pleasing. Surround yourself with things that are meaningful to you and let go of what's purely decorative clutter. This balance of form and function creates a sense of harmony in your space and life. Japanese minimalism naturally aligns with sustainability. By consuming less, making intentional choices, and valuing quality over quantity, we reduce waste and tread more lightly on the planet. Minimalism is as much about preserving time and energy as it is about protecting our Earth. Let sustainability be a motivator for choosing fewer, better things. Now that we've explored the 10 principles, how do you bring them into your life? Start small. Declutter one drawer using Danshari. Reflect on your ikigai. Create moments of Ma in your home or schedule mindfulness into your day. Ask yourself, what is cluttering my home, mind, or heart? What would my life look like if I removed these distractions? As you take steps toward minimalism, you'll find a lightness, clarity, and peace that you never knew you needed. By embracing these principles, you not only transform your physical space, but also your emotional and mental well-being. You gain clarity and focus to prioritize what matters. Peace of mind from letting go of the unnecessary. Financial freedom by avoiding the trap of consumerism. Stronger connections with family, friends, and yourself. Minimalism gives you the gift of time for what matters and for who matters. Imagine a life free from the weight of excess, where your home reflects calm, your mind feels clear, and your heart is focused on purpose. That's what Japanese minimalism offers, a life lived with intention, gratitude, and joy. You don't have to be perfect, and you don't need to change everything overnight. Start small. Focus on progress, not perfection. As the principles of Ma, Wabi-Sabi, and Ikigai guide you, you'll begin to see the beauty in simplicity. Now it's your turn. Embrace the freedom of living with less and the happiness that comes with focusing on more. Your minimalist journey begins today. Thank you for watching. Which lesson resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Candle of Wisdom. It really helps me continue sharing valuable insights to make your life simpler and happier. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need a little decluttering inspiration, and join our community by leaving a comment. Together, we can build a life that's free from chaos and full of meaning. See you next time.